How to add product categories to Wix quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add product categories to your Wix website. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Wix account and then you will select the website where you want to add product categories. So I have selected this website right here and it is also a store. So once you select a website, it takes you to its dashboard. Now we can access our store from our Wix editor as well. So if you are already inside the editor, you can just go ahead and go to the store section right here at the bottom and get to the store management. Otherwise, we can add products and product categories from the dashboard and it's more easier. So here you will get the option of store products. In store products, we have products, inventory, and collection. Now collection means categories. So we're going to select the collection option. And here we have our collections. You can see I have just one collection for now. To create a new collection, I can click on this plus button or I can choose new collection from here. So I'm going to click on new collection. And now we can add products to it and give our collection a name, add collection image. Let's give it a name and I'm going to call this category or collection winter. Then I'm going to add some products. Click on add products and it will allow you to choose from the products that you already have on your store. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and select the products that are under the winter category or collection. Click on add and the products will be added. Now I'm going to select a collection image. We can upload an image from our computer. We can select a file that we already have on Wix, or we can also explore our Wix gallery. Once the image is added, we can also go ahead and create a coupon if we want or create an email campaign. But for now, you're going to click on save and a new category will be created on your Wix store. This is how you can create a product category or a collection on Wix. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.